Alright, so today we are going to install two pick guards, Mexican Stratocaster single, and a Korean Samick Stratocaster HSS. But will they actually fit? So the power went out because we're in the middle of a hurricane. So we're doing everything by flashlight to start with. But in case you don't know the little story behind this, getting the pick guards from Musiclily, just show you a couple shots from previous videos. I ordered a set of pick guards and they came, but there was problems because of a little bit of damage through the packaging. Nothing too major really, but I contacted Musiclily and they replaced the pick guard, and the pick guards are great quality, fantastic 3-layer, huge variety of colors. And I bought them because I couldn't get any pick guards in my local music store, and I took my purple Strat in and I wanted to get a color that would match the guitar, but they don't have them anymore. So anyway, I ordered them from Musiclily and got the first set, one with damage. Second one came in absolutely fine, and then they even went above and beyond that and made me a very happy customer, which is, in my opinion, the mark of a truly good company. So first thing I'm going to do is measure the height on each side between the pickup and the strings. I'm going to do that for all three pickups, write the numbers down, so that when I change the pick guard out and I put the pickups back in, I know exactly how high they sat before. Otherwise you'd be just starting at zero and have to be guessing your way through it and moving them up and down, checking everything. So I took all the screws out, took strings off, and it's blowing like crazy, and there's trees coming down all around us, and still no power. Internet's gone, phone's gone, and I'm just here working with flashlights because I really wanted to get this done today. There's the Samick, and there's the replacement one from Musiclily, and it fit perfectly on the Samick HSS. And the dark marble one fit perfectly on the Mexican Strat, and I even carved out with a Dremel tool a spot for my GK3 MIDI pickup. So everything went perfect.